On hand 3, we have a very strong balanced hand. Notice that even though we're 5-3-3-2, that's still a balanced shape. So we've got 26 high card points, plus an extra point you could count for your 5th club. So our game force bid is 2 clubs, and that's what we'd open. Partner, as expected, responds 2 diamonds. Now we'll show the strength and the shape of the hand by bidding 3 no trumps. This shows more than 24 points, and partner passes. They lead the 7 of spades against our 3 no trumps, so let's count our definite winners and make a plan. On the spade lead, we'll actually make 3 spade tricks, the ace, the king and the jack. We've got 2 heart winners, the ace and the king, so that's 5. 2 club winners, that's 7, the ace and the king, and 1 diamond winner, the ace. So we've got 8 tricks. One of the problems is that we won't be able to get over to the north hand because it's so weak. So our plan would have to be to play the club suit and hope that our long clubs, we've got 7 of them, will split either 3-3 in the opponent's hands or 4-2. So win the first spade, they play the queen, win it with the king or the ace, and start on clubs, play the ace of clubs, now the king of clubs, and now a small club. Discarding anything almost. The clubs broke 3-3. That was lucky because now our 2 clubs are winners. So we've actually got plenty of tricks now. We're just going to take our winners. We could try a diamond now, but we're not worried for 9 tricks. Oh, they've risen with the king. So win the spade, take your 2 top hearts, and the ace of diamonds, and give them a trick, the last trick with a diamond. So we made 10 tricks on that hand. 4 clubs, 3 spades are 7, 2 hearts are 9, and the ace of diamonds 10.